Hello, today I'm going to give a brief overview on groups on Office 365 and then show you how to create a group for a class you may have. Let's get started. To begin, we are going to click on the blue box at the top left. This should pull up our apps. And then we are going to go where it says All Apps, and then click on that. Once all the apps appear, we are going to scroll down until we see the People app. Then we're going to click on it. Once the People page appears, at the bottom left you can see the Groups section. This is where you can create a group for your classmates or for your friends in a study group. Once we click Create, a dialog box pops up asking us what kind of group we want to create. We can create a standard group or professional learning community. We're going to create a standard group. Once we click Create on Standard Group, it's going to ask us for preferences for this group. You can fill out the group name, group email, the description, and if you want this group to be private or not. Once we're done, we're going to click Create at the top left. Once we've created the group, it's going to ask me what members I want to add. You could add your classmates as well as your friends to study. For this example, I'm going to add my boss. Once she's added to the list, I'm going to click Add. You can always add other group members later. Once that initial setup is complete, you can see it takes you to the biology class page. It has many options, as well as showing the 2 members we added to this group. That was a brief overview on groups, as well as how to create groups using Office 365. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.